Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the new topic of a same unit. It is called as the preparation of biodegradable polymers. Okay. Now first of all we discuss what is the definition of these biodegradable polymers. Clear? You know we discuss the different types of classification of polymer on the basis of their use. It's called as a biodegradable and non-biodegradable polymer. So define the biodegradable polymers. So those polymer which does not create an environmental problem. Those polymer which does not create an environmental problem. It easily decompose. Into organic substance. So it is called as biodegradable polymers. Clear? Those polymer which is easily decomposes or which is easily finished after use. So it is called as a biodegradable polymer. It does not create any environmental problem. So that's why scientists prepared different types of biodegradable polymers. Clear? What is a non-biodegradable polymers? Those polymers which does not decompose easily. It creates an environmental problem, so it is called as a non-biodegradable polymer. For example, the special example of this category is called as a polythene. Polythene is an example of a non-biodegradable polymers. Clear? But today we discuss here the preparation of which polymers? Synthetic polymer called as a biodegradable polymer which easily decomposes. Okay. Now first we discuss here the preparations. Clear? So how to prepare a biodegradable polymer? First we take the preparation of a PHBV. It is a one type of a biodegradable polymer as well as polyester polymer because it forms a ester linkage in a product. So it is called as a what? Biodegradable polymer or polyester linkage or polyester what? Polymers. So how to prepare these PHBV polymers? What is a PHBV full form? PHBV stands for a different what? Name of a monomer. Clear? So first of all, PHBV means polyhydroxy butyrate valerate polymers. Clear? Polyhydroxy beta valerate polymers. So how to prepare this PHBV polymer? So it is an example of copolymer. What is copolymer? Those polymer which contain a different monomer which is joined together and loses a small molecule like that of water or alcohol. So it is example of copolymer. Clear? So how to prepare? So we take the reactions called as the preparation of PHBV polymers. So first of all, this first monomer name is called as beta hydroxy butyric acid. Formula HO or OH CH branch CH3 single bond CH2 then COH. It is a monomer first. The name is called as beta hydroxy. Why beta? Because it is an alpha carbon. It is a beta carbon. Why alpha carbon? Because any functional group attached to a first carbon, this carbon is called as alpha carbon and the second carbon is called as beta carbon. Okay, so we take the beta carbon here. Okay, now how to prepare this? So we take here when the beta hydroxy butyric acid is react with beta hydroxy valeric acid. It is a second monomer. So how to prepare? Now we take the reaction when a beta hydroxy butyric acid is react with a beta hydroxy valeric acid. Both compound have same, only change the what? One group of CH3 or one carbon. It contains how many carbon? 1 2 3 4. It contains how many carbon? 5 carbon. 1 2 3 4 5. So name is changed. It is called as beta hydroxybutyric acid. It is called as beta hydroxyvaleric acid. Clear? Okay. So now we take the reactions. In this reaction, beta hydroxybutyric acid is react with beta hydroxyvaleric acid. Now, in this reaction, loss are small molecule. This minus NH2 indicate N is number of moles. It may be water, 1 molecule of water, 2 molecule of water. N indicate number of moles. 1, 2, 3 depend upon the reactant. Clear? Now then, in this reaction, the loss of first water molecule from a first monomer. This 1H, this 1OH, okay, this 1H, okay, and this 1OH will be goes as this 1H and this OH will be goes as H2O. This HOH, what we get? 1 molecule of H2O. Second molecule of H2O from second monomer. So this 1H and this one will be goes as H2. It means when each monomer loss of water molecule. So how many monomer we use? 2 monomers. So it means when these 2 monomer are combined to each other, losses of how many water molecule? 2 water molecule. How this reaction happen? So we take the product here. What? O single bond CH attached to CH3 as it is. Then CH2. Then C double bond O group. Then which group remaining part here? This oxygen O. Then single bond attached to here CH. Then attached to here branch CH2 single bond CH3. Then remaining CH2 C double bond O group. So it is and called as what here? Polymers. Which polymer? Which polymer? HBV polymer. Clear? How this prepared? When a one monomer called as a beta hydroxybutyric acid react with a second monomer of beta hydroxyvaleric acid, losses are 2 water molecule and to form here what? PHBV polymers. It is an ester linkage polymer. Why? Because it contains ester group. What group ester here? This RCOO is called as what? Ester group here. It is called ester linkage. Okay? Clear? Now uses of these polymers. So it is a biodegradable polymer which is used in different types of purposes. Clear? Okay? Now we take the second preparation of a same what polymer called as a biodegradable polymer. Second is called as nylon 2 nylon 6 polymer. Why is called nylon 2 nylon 6? Because it also the example of copolymer. It means it requires when prepare this polymer to different monomer. So it is called as copolymer. Which monomer are used? So one is called as nylon 2 means one monomer contain 2 means carbon. Nylon 2 means one monomer contain 2 carbon. And nylon 6 means second monomer contain how many carbons? 6 carbons. So it is called nylon 2 nylon 6 polymers. Clear? This 2 and 6 indicate the number of carbon in a first and second. First monomer contain 2 carbons, so it is called nylon 2. Second monomer contains 6 carbons, so it is called as a 6. Clear? It means called as the nylon 2 nylon 6 polymers. Clear? Now some topic we discuss here. The nylon 2 nylon 6 polymer, it is a polyamide polymers. It is an polyamide polymers. Clear? Second, it is also biodegradable polymer. Third, it is a polyamide linkage. It means when it prepare, it form the polyamide linkage, which nylon 2 nylon 6. Whereas PHBV, it form the polyester linkage. It is a what? Polyester linkage. Okay? But which linkage? Polyamide linkage. Clear? How to prepare this nylon 2 nylon 6? We discuss here the reactions. Clear? So in this reaction, first we take the preparation of a nylon 2 nylon 6 polymer. How to prepare? When this glycine is the one type of amino acid. What is amino acid? It contains two different functional group. One is called amine and second called acid. So it is called as the amino acid. Glycine is an example of amino acid. So when a glycine or amino acid is react with a what second molecule of amino acid called as the epsilon amino caproic acid. When a glycine is reacted with epsilon, this symbol indicates epsilon amino caproic acid. So when a glycine is reacted with epsilon amino caproic acid, it is also the example of copolymer and loses a small molecule called as the NH2O molecule. N indicates number of moles. So depend upon same this likelihood of this. It also loses how many water molecule? 2. One from the one monomer, second from the second monomer. Okay? So how this reaction happen? How this reaction is formed? We discuss here. Now in this reaction, this OH from the glycine means OH from the acid group means called as carboxylic group. OH from the acid group and H from the amine group. So this OH H what we lost? One molecule of water. Second here one molecule from the epsilon amino caproic acid. How this lost? So one molecule one OH from the what acid and second from H from the amine. So this one H2O, second H2O. How many H2O? It loses the 2 water molecule. How this reaction takes place? We take the product here. C double bond O attached to CH2. Then here what? NH. Then single bond. What we take as C double bond O attached to the CH2 by 5. Then NH. So it is called as what? Nylon 2 what? Nylon 2 comma nylon 6 polymer. What? Nylon 2. Why nylon 2? Because one monomer. It is one monomer. But how many carbon? This one 2 carbon. So it is called what here? What here? Sorry. This one and 2 carbon. So it is called nylon 2. 1 2 carbon and nylon 2. And remaining this 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 called as nylon 6. It is called nylon 2 nylon 6 polymers. Clear? Okay. So it's all about the preparations of which polymer? Biodegradable polymer. We take a two different preparation of a what? Biodegradable polymer. First called as PHBB polymer and second is called as what here? What? Nylon 2 nylon 6 polymers. Clear? A question aate hai exam mein. Which monomer are used in the preparation of nylon 6 polymer, nylon 6,6 polymer or nylon 2,6 polymer or PHBB polymer or what terylene or what Dacron polymers? और second question ऐसे जाएगा write only structure of monomer used in a preparation of nylon 6 or nylon 6,6 or PHBB or nylon 2, nylon 6 polymers. Or only write the structure of a given compound. Bakelite, nylon 6, yes, then nylon 2,6, then PHBB. Easy है but आपको याद रखना है simple. Okay, both two is an example of a copolymer, but here PHBB is an example of polyamide polymer. Sorry, a polyester polymer, and it is an what? Polyamide polymer. Why? Because these polymers contain a ester linkage, so it is called as polyester polymer polyester linkage. It's contain a amide linkage. Amide here. This is called as the amide linkage. It is called as the amide linkage. It is called what here? It is called as ester linkage. Okay, clear? Okay, ये टॉपिक हमारा फिनिश हुआ. अभी लास्ट एक चार्ट बाकी है हमारा. Different types of monomers, its preparation, its uses. वो हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे. ठीक है, क्लियर? अब जहाँ तक भी हमारा टॉपिक हो गया फिनिश, वो आप जो है उसको उसकी नोट्स प्रिपेयर करेंगे और कुछ डॉट्स हैं तो आप क्लियर करेंगे, ठीक है। इजी है प्रिपरेशन, सिर्फ आपको कुछ मोनोमर्स के और पॉलीमर्स के जो फॉर्मूले हैं उसको मेमोराइज करना है, प्रैक्टिस करना है, ठीक है। रिएक्शंस भी याद रखना है। अगर रिएक्शन एडिशन पॉलीमर में तो उसमें कोई लॉस नहीं होगा, अगर रिएक्शन को पॉलीमर है या कंडेंसेशन पॉलीमर है तो उसमें से इजीली वाटर मॉलिक्यूल लॉस होता है। और कहाँ से लॉस हो रहा है वो याद रखना है। जैसे मैंने एग्जाम्पल बताया आपको नाइट्रोजन इसका, यहाँ से 1H OH लॉस हो रहा है एसिड से और H लॉस हो रहा है अमाइड से, क्लियर। यहाँ पर भी सेम थिंग है, यहाँ पे OH H लॉस हो रहा है अल्कोहल से और यहाँ से OH लॉस हो रहा है कहाँ से, एसिड से। तो जहाँ पर रिएक्शन हो रही है रिएक्शन के टर्मिनल साइड को याद रखना है और बाकी जो भी एटम्स है उसको एज इट इज लिखना है, क्लियर। ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच।